dog relieve himself. And as you see, there's trees and lampposts in that scene. That was all brought out here and taken back to props after this scene was shot. This set was also used for Billie Eilish's Amazon Prime Day concert. It served as Paris. Now we're going to head from the big city to the small town, Courthouse Square. This next set you might recognize more aptly as Hill Valley from Back to the Future.
It's actually the back lot of Courthouse Square that inspired the entire climax in Back to the Future.
I assume so.
So this is a fake building?
The ledge
On the outside.
and I was standing inside looking at the ledge, and I already had vertigo. I just thought there's no way in the world, no way I'm going to stand.
Now, that courthouse might look a little bit different because in this scene it has the columns. But when a few years ago, when CBS's Ghost Whisperer came to film here, this was Grandview for Ghost Whisperer. They saw that building and they thought, no, that's too iconic. It looks like ready to look left and look right, and you'll see that this is one of the longest sets on our entire back lot. And this is the set called New York Street. But as you can tell by my southern accent, I'm not an expert, so I'm going to turn it over to my co-host to tell you more.
Hey everyone, welcome to New York! I got my start right here in New York on Saturday Night Live. This is actually my old neighborhood. Once got mugged over there by an old woman. Tough lady. This is my favorite hot dog guy. Hey buddy, how's it going? Remember me? No. Just like old times. Gotta love New York City. Hey, I'm walking here! I'm walking here! Hey, it's cool guys. I was just walking there. So it's not exactly New York, but a lot of times when you see New York in the movies, it was shot right here on the Universal Metro sets. If you can make it here, you can make it anywhere. Even if you make it here on the Universal lot.
Now these sets, they are called New York Street, but they have served as any number of cities. They were Baltimore and Hairspray Live that I just mentioned. In Hairspray Live, they would film the interiors in 22 and 23, and over the commercial break, come right out here in a golf cart to film on the exterior of Baltimore. It was also Chicago in the Blues Brothers. It was also Los Angeles in American Ninja Warrior. The American Ninja Warrior final obstacle course is set up right here on this street.
Oh, see the smell? What's the smell, huh?
It smells like jungle.
Yeah.
Did the dinosaurs fart or something?